Reconnected with an old buddy, and some post-soccer social. Had a chance to spend some time with family, traveling from New Jersey to New York. Had a chance to see the waterfall in Patterson. Then errands at LIDL with the little. After a long weekend of family time, chasing a toddler through errands, loading and unloading the car a dozen times, and clocking miles on the road, there's something sacred in this pause. Dad life is a constant motion, but I wouldn't trade a second. And now, with the sky gray and the rain steady, it all slows down. Peaceful, earned, beautiful.